Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. If you've stopped by because you're curious what kind of an eye look you can create using the Hipdot Witchy Warms palette, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, I want to welcome anyone who's new. For those returning, thank you. WYGO stands for When You Get Old. I am 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. And occasionally, I like to do a makeup try-on. So today I'm going to be putting on an eye look using this Hipdot palette, which is called Witchy Warms. I received this in the October 2021 IPSY Glam Bag Plus. This here is the palette, which is called Witchy Warms. And obviously, it was put in the October box. It has a very fall vibe. I am filming this towards the end of January. The video will probably go out, I don't know, post Valentine's Day when all the pinks come into play. But I really don't care because I love and enjoy these shade and this color story. So let's start off with some swatches. Alright, apologies. These are not the best swatches. They are not in any particular order because I messed up with the first three shades and I said, well, F it. But as I put on the colors on my eyes, I will mention the name of the shade and or point to it. By the way, if anyone is curious, or maybe it just bugs me and no one would notice if I didn't call it out, I was experimenting with some lip liners, which I usually don't use or wear. And, you know, everyone talks about, oh, if you overline your lips, they look fuller, plumper. Well, I did that, and I feel like it just makes me look like I got punched in the face. So if anyone was curious, like, hey, what happened? Did she get lip fillers or walk into a wall? No, I'm just really bad with lip liner. All right, I digress. Let's throw some music on and watch what kind of a crazy look I come up with.
Shut up and sit down. Shut up and sit down.
I'm going to come back, do a touch-up on my mascara, add some eyeliner, and give my final thoughts. All right, I'm back with the final look. Let me do a close-up. What are your thoughts? I enjoyed using this. It was nice, deep, dark, rich, fall colors. I wish there was a slightly lighter color. And I'm going to hold this up closer because my light kind of washes it out. I noticed in the viewfinder when I held it back, this looked white. No, it's a very pale, like banana. Reminds me of like a banana powder color. I wish there was of the glimmery shades, something a little softer that I could use as a topper. Again, maybe I'm spoiled from the ColourPop Super Shock shadows, but I like going in, I like keeping it a little lighter towards the inner, an ombre effect, but I used what I had and I made it work. All right, I did enjoy this. Is January when I'm filming, February, March timeframe when this goes up, the best time for this kind of look? I think any color story you decide to wear any time of year is perfectly fine. I'd say the quality of these shadows are really good. And I think they're pressed pigments as well as shadows. I didn't experience any fallout. When you saw me wipe stuff off, that was user error. That was me putting way too much under the eye. And then my fingers are fat. So when I go in to try to get the inner corner or to apply with my finger, I always end up touching the bottom area. So that's what I was cleaning up. It wasn't fallout. They are, the mattes are a tad powdery. So, you know, when you go in and then you tap, it's like stuff flies out. So that really soft banana yellow color, when I applied it kind of in the center inner corner of my lid, it did transfer a little bit onto my mascara, which is why I had to go in and add a like third coat because I was already wearing 2 coats. But yes, overall, I'm digging this palette. All right, leave me your comments. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you have used or tried this palette or any palette from Hipdot. And let me know what you think of the look I came up with. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a really big favor and click that thumbs up, it really helps my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.